Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex and in this video I'm just going to show you how to participate in the IAO of the token na CYT. Okay, so mabilisan lang itong video na ito. I just really want to update you guys kasi alam kong marami kayong concerns regarding the CYT token. Okay, so let's start. Anyway, ito yung aking channel. So if you are interested, you can subscribe and like my videos. Anyway, hindi yan yung point ko dito. So first guys, you will need an account sa Coinary. Ayan, hubcoinary.com. Nasa description na ang link dito. So dito mag-reflect no yung ating CYT or BCYT na token. Ayan. Tapos guys, once meron ka ng account sa Coinary, pupunta ka sa Google, ayan, pwede mong i-search yung CYT token contract address. Okay? Kung available na siya. Yeah. Pero sa August 2 pa, no, malalaman kung ano yung contract address ng CYT. So as of now, wala pa pong contract address si Coinary token. Okay? We have to be specific. Coinary token, contract address. Again, wala pa po. May mga na-scam na po ngayon. No? May mga nag-send na ng may mga bumili na ng CYT token ngayon kasi may mga kumakalat na contract address ng Coinary token. Pero ngayon po, wala pa po talaga. Kung meron man, yun pong sa Kalisto Network yun siya. Okay? Pero kung sa BSC scan, wala pa siya guys. Okay? Hindi pa siya disclosed ngayon in public. Well, anyway, kapag meron ng contract address si Coinary token, ayan, you just have to go to your ApeSwap, ayan, apeswap.finance/IAO. Okay? Sa isa kong video, hindi ko nalagay na IAO, pero guys, you have to make sure na may IAO. Okay? Sa dulo. Ayan, ilalagay ko na lang din sa link ilalagay ko lang din yung link sa description. Alright? So, kapag nandito ka na guys sa ApeSwap, ayan, makikita natin, ayan, IAO, Initial Ape Offerings. Iko-connect lang natin yung ating MetaMask wallet. Okay? Ayan. So, approve lang natin. And then make sure na nasa BSC network ka. Ayan. So, ang gagamitin natin dito ay ang ating BNB. Okay? BNB ang gagamitin natin para makabili ng CYT token. So, under BSC network. Ayan. So, dito, kapag connected ng iyong wallet, ayan, kailangan mo lang, so before the sale, ito yung how to take part, no? You need to get BNB tokens. Okay, so, kailangan meron ka ng stock dyan sa iyong MetaMask wallet. And then during the sale, while the sale is live, commit your BNB tokens to buy the IAO tokens. Okay, so i-commit mo siya dito. And then, after the sale, claim the tokens you bought, ayan, along with any unspent funds. Okay, so gano'n lang siya. Tapos guys, after the sale, 'di ba, bibili ka ng CYT token. Let's say nasa 100 CYT token. So yung mababalik lang sa iyo will be the 25% of the token, no, that you bought. Okay, tapos yung 75% ay malalock. Okay, malalock up siya. So nandito sa kanilang medium, ano, 25%, so the vesting schedule works as follows. Ayan, 25% of tokens will be released to IAO participants immediately yan ha. Tapos, after that, 25% of tokens will be released each month subsequently, no? So, kung 25% per month, that's going to be 3 months, no? So, mahuhold yung CYT token for 3 months sa kanila. And then, 25% of it will be released every month. Okay? Ayan. So, ang offered CYT tokens nila guys during the IAO will be 110 million CYT. Okay? At ibebenta lang ito sa ApeSwap. Okay? No other websites. Okay? Sa ApeSwap lang siya guys. Ayan. Okay, so yun lang yung aking update regarding sa concern ninyo for the upcoming IAO. Okay guys, so sana nakatulong itong very short video ko. At pasensya na doon sa isa kong video kasi ako parang nalito na rin, no? Pero yun din yung step guys kung paano bumili ng CYT token. Ito siya, how to participate during the IAO. Tapos ngayong August 2 kasi, IAO pa lang yung magaganap. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night everyone. Matulog na kayo. Bye!